Hello guys, welcome to Ikra Technology. So today we will see arrays in C Sharp. How arrays are created in C Sharp. Okay. So if you see here, what is array? So array is a collection of elements. Did you understand? Array is a collection of elements. Means you can also say collection of values. And those values cannot be of different types. The values are of same types only. It does not have any values of different types. It have value of same types only. And the elements of array can also be accessed through their index. Their index starts from 0. If you look here in the image, this is array and these are the elements of array. 2, 4, 10, 5, 15, 3. And here 0 is its index. Okay, 0 is index of 2. Okay, then 0 is the index of 2 and 2 is the element, and then 4 is the second value. And what is its index? It's 1. And this is 10. What is its index? It's 2. Like this only the index will increase. Okay, now if you look here, array declaration in C sharp. So let us see these examples of array in our Visual Studio Code. Now look here. Here I have taken an integer array. Okay, is created like we create variables, but here we have to take square brackets. What we have to take? Brackets, which is very important to create an array. You cannot create an array without these square brackets. Here we will take array 1. Okay, what we have done here, we have declared an array here. We have told the system that an integer array is there with the name array1 variable. Okay, now we have not told it how many values it can contain, nor we have given any values to it. Now look here, we will create integer array. We click tab array2. Okay, it got autofilled. Now what will we do here? We will give equals to and we'll write integer array to 5 elements. Okay, here new will come. Now why new came? Here it will not be able to figure out. If I leave it, it will not be able to figure out. Here we will have to give a new keyword. We tell it that there will be an array in which 5 elements will be contained, and this is that array. Okay, array 2 in which 5 elements will come. Now which 5 elements will come? We did not tell this. Okay, what is new keyword? We tell it that means we are telling the system that we need an integer array in which 5 values have to be stored. But if we take an integer array 3, now what I'm doing here, now what do I do here? I am telling it now in integer array, I'm not telling it that it has to contain 5 elements. I am telling it that whatever elements are there, I am adding it to it. Okay, I have added 5 elements. I created an array 3. I told it that there is a new integer in which there are 5 elements and I assigned them values. Now in another one, sorry, what is in this? Integer will come. Here I autofilled it. Now what am I doing here? I'm not telling it here that we are not giving it new in bracket. Here the system will figure out by itself. Means system understand by itself that here we have to create an array in which 5 values are there. It is containing 5 values. This will be figured out by the system. And what we are doing here, we are telling the system that there is an integer array in which 5 values will come. This will be 5 values. Create a space and add this. Now what are we doing here? Array 2. What are we doing in array 2? Here it is an integer as an array 2 in which 5 values will come. 5 values be contained, but which 5 values? We have not defined it. Now here array 1, what are we doing here? We have just declared it. We didn't tell it how many values will come and also not give any value to it. Okay, now what will we do here? We will access the array 4 through its index. Okay, now here I have taken array 4. Here it will give the suggestions array 4. I have taken array 4. Now I have to access it through index thing. I have to access 4. So what is the index of 4? 1. So I took 1 here, and if I print it, see, if I print this, then here the value 4 will come here. Okay, wait, I will do window arrow. Arrow is not happening. 1 second. Look, if you see here, then the value 4 will come here. Can you see this? What is the value here? It is 4 because we had given the index 1. If I change it from here and give the index 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I will give 3. Okay, I will give index 3 here. Okay, now if I start here, then window arrow, then we do this. Now what is the value here? 3 here. Okay, here the value became 3. Now what we took 1, then 4 became. Now if we took 3, then 3 is coming here. Now I will take 4 here. First cut it. What do you take here now? I will take 4. Let's start now. What will come? 2 will come. What will come here? 2 will come. Why 2 came? Because here the index of 1 is 0. This has 1, this has 2, this has 3, and this has 4. Okay. So its index become 4. So we declared array like this, initialize like this, and we tell the system by initializing that this is a new array, create a space and enter these 5 values. But here it figures out by itself, and here we tell that 5 values can be contained by the array, but which 5 we didn't told it. As an integer value can be contained, we just told that, but which 5 value we didn't tell it by not initializing it. Okay, so this was how to create an array and how we access it. Now look here, here is the proper explanation of it. See, understanding the array declaration, you can see the explanation properly, and here we saw the examples. See, here is the examples in which we are accessing through a index. You can see properly. After reading, it will become easy for you to understand. Then here are the tasks which you have to practice so that you can understand better. Okay. So today we saw arrays in C#. Thank you.